Shut down which agency? What you mean, shut down? Him not have them kind of powers, you understand me?
Him what? Oh, but that's a very ambitious venture.
Ambition should be made of sterner stuff.
William Shakespeare, Julius Caesar.
And yonder Cassius has a lean and hungry look. One thing I know you'll be looking assiduously for is the fact that there is a connection between you and I, and we are attempting to expunge your record.
And will he be able to find any documents of that nature existing?
Of course it exists, but not in this office. You have, like any other citizen, the right to apply for expungement of your record. And considering the profession of your offspring, you would be guided accordingly. You don't need this office.
This brother really a go hard, you know. I hope him don't lick a bark chop.
Marcus is about to make his move. I just don't know when. But you know what they say. The harder they come,
The harder they fall. Well, knowing you, I am sure you have a counter move prepared.
I would be disappointed in myself if I didn't. As a matter of fact, I'm a couple moves ahead.
As a real chess player should be.
There's a part I want you to play.
Very interesting. But then again, I'll be so disappointed if I wasn't afforded the privilege to play a part.
Raymond, him a politician. Him we go out and way to make sure that happen. The venom when me hear him talk with yesterday, we better defend our P's and Q's.
If any other minister in Jamaica, them can talk. Marcus Wallace no have no power over me. I have him file, dock it, and lock it. Remember me tell you, say, like so. So don't worry yourself. You and Mullins, relax. Because you see what me have with the minister.
Raymond Savage, you realize you're making this conversation about you and not the agency? Whatever little doubt you have on Marcus Wallace, yeah, that's between you and him. We're talking about the agency. The agency where a whole lot of people have jobs, but if it's shut down, they're not going to lose it. And if it's shut down, and if they find nothing, other people are going to have a problem. Remember, the sleeper program no exists.
It's funny you say, me I make it about me. But remember something. You in the agency. That means anything you talk about with me, you in the agency is we. Don't worry yourself. Everything me I do, I can benefit you as well. Agency alright on top. You just make sure all them files there just go so. End up in my hand.
You get the up?
No, I know. Let's see something, but I don't really want me.
Raymond, sir, send it up to your phone.
Let's see something, but you know, when them the age, I don't really trust them something.
Is an app where once anything go wrong, when it come to you, it will say receive or accept. You just press accept and file it and come over.
Alright.
Raymond, be serious, you know.
Me say, alright. Anyway, you done?
It just reach here. Thank you very much.